Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of Volvo's manufacturing process for the EX90, showcasing every step from frame fabrication to final quality checks. Join us as we uncover the meticulous craftsmanship and advanced technology that goes into creating Volvo's flagship electric SUV. One, frame fabrication. Precision engineering begins. Our journey starts in Volvo's state-of-the-art production facility, where the EX90's journey begins with the fabrication of its frame. High-grade steel, known for its strength and durability, is meticulously cut, shaped, and welded by robotic arms and skilled technicians. This process forms the sturdy backbone that ensures the EX90's structural integrity and safety. Two, welding and assembly, crafting the foundation. Next, the welded frames move to the assembly line, where components such as suspension systems, drivetrains, and electrical wiring are meticulously installed. Advanced robotics and precise engineering ensure each component fits seamlessly, guaranteeing the EX90's reliability and performance on the road. Three, paint shop. Mastering the art of finish. In the paint shop, the EX90 receives its flawless finish. Eco-friendly paints are applied with precision, reflecting Volvo's commitment to sustainability. Each layer is meticulously inspected to ensure a smooth and durable finish, protecting the EX90 from the elements and maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Four, battery assembly, powering the future. Moving to the heart of innovation, the EX90's battery assembly line showcases Volvo's commitment to electric mobility. Advanced manufacturing processes integrate high-capacity battery cells into modules and packs, ensuring optimal performance and an impressive electric range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. Five, interior and exterior assembly. Craftsmanship meets comfort. Inside the assembly hall, skilled craftsmen meticulously fit the EX90's interior components, from luxurious seating and advanced infotainment systems to ergonomic controls and intelligent storage solutions. Meanwhile, outside, the vehicle's exterior details, from sleek contours to signature Volvo design elements, are meticulously assembled, reflecting Volvo's Scandinavian heritage and modern aesthetics. Before the EX90 rolls off the line, Volvo's rigorous quality control processes swing into action. Each vehicle undergoes comprehensive testing and inspection protocols, including dynamic performance tests, safety assessments, and meticulous quality checks. This ensures that every EX90 meets Volvo's exacting standards of safety, performance, The Volvo EX90 blends Scandinavian design elegance with modern innovation. Its sleek lines and bold contours not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also optimize aerodynamics for greater efficiency. Built on Volvo's new fully electric technology base, the EX90 sets a new standard for form and function, integrating seamlessly into both urban landscapes and rugged terrains. Safety is paramount in the Volvo EX90, equipped with state-of-the-art sensing technology and advanced driver assistance systems. From cameras and radars to LiDAR sensors, the EX90 maintains a real-time, 360-degree view of its surroundings, ensuring unparalleled awareness and responsiveness. Volvo's commitment to safety extends beyond the vehicle itself, incorporating intelligent features that adapt and improve over time with software updates. Step inside the EX90 and experience a world of connectivity and convenience. Powered by NVIDIA Drive AI platforms and Snapdragon cockpit platforms, the EX90 transforms into a sophisticated computer on wheels. Featuring a 14.5-inch center screen with Google built-in, including Google Assistant and Google Maps, the EX90 keeps you seamlessly connected to your digital world while on the move. With a standard 5G connection, intuitive navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay, staying connected has never been easier or more immersive. As Volvo's flagship electric SUV, the EX90 delivers exceptional sustainability performance. With up to 600 kilometers of emission-free driving range on a single charge WLTP cycle, it combines powerful performance with responsible environmental stewardship. The EX90 features a substantial amount of recycled materials, including recycled steel, aluminum, and plastics, reflecting Volvo's commitment to circularity and climate neutrality by 2040. Additionally, the EX90 pioneers bidirectional charging technology, allowing it to power your home or other electric devices, enhancing its role in a sustainable lifestyle. Under the hood, the EX90 boasts twin-motor all-wheel drive, powered by a 111 kilowatt-hours battery. This setup delivers an impressive 380 kilowatts, 517 horsepower, and 910 newton-meters of torque, ensuring exhilarating performance matched with smooth, responsive handling. Coupled with Volvo's new chassis design, the EX90 provides a dynamic driving experience that's as thrilling as it is efficient.